Yeah, where are you going?
So
Where are you going with your suitcase? You're going with your suitcase on the metro?
we're going away for your birthday for the weekend, and we're going to stay at the Tower Plaza Hotel.
But you're going with your suitcase on the metro. Are you excited?
Morning guys!
Good morning!
Yeah, so today we are going on a yacht breakfast tour. It's with exclusive yachts, so we're just going out, we're going to see the Ain Wheel, Burj Al Arab, yeah, I think, yeah, but we'll take some footage and show you. And then afterwards we're going to Kite Beach for the day. It's going to be our first time there, so we're excited about that. And then yeah, so
we're finally at Kite Beach.
This is our first time here.
Yeah, it's actually shocking that I've been staying in the UAE for almost 3 years and this is my first time. But luckily I'm here with you. I've never been here. And yeah, it's our first time here.
So the water is really nice.
Yeah, it's quite hot, isn't it? But outside it's like probably like 36. I can't stand here. But it's a lovely day. There's loads of people here enjoying the sun. Where are we going to?
We're gonna find ice cream and something to drink.
actually like a brunch situation going on here now. So we just finished we just checked out of our hotel, and we just thought that we're gonna have like a late breakfast.
Brunch,
it's like a brunch. That's why we have.
It's 11 o'clock, so it's a brunch and we're drinking.
So anyway, it's somewhere. It's afternoon. Okay, we're just gonna say that. So it was a really nice weekend. We had it was like a little staycation away from home, you know, but we really enjoyed it. We had like a really good time yesterday. We were a little bit like sun drained last night. Like we went out for like 2 drinks and we made our way back and got into bed quite early because we were up so super early, like what?
Like 6:30, I think.
And I think because there was an option between doing the breakfast yacht tour and like a lunch breakfast yacht tour, and we can definitely advise that in the UAE, if you are not, you know, comfortable with heat, or like if you cannot handle heat very well, rather do the breakfast like yacht tour, because we were already like really hot. And we were just thinking about how those poor people like that's doing the lunch yacht's gonna feel, because it was quite early. Like we left at like 9.
It's 9 till 11.
Yeah, and it was getting at the end. It was getting really hot. So I'm just thinking that if you are not able to handle heat very well, that maybe it's best to do the breakfast one or the sundown. Like maybe in the future we'll want to do the sundowner one. But anyway, we had a really good time, and we went to Kite Beach, and that was a really good experience. You can literally spend the whole day there. We definitely go back there again because we only saw like a small part of it.
It's so really big. It's like 2.5 k's, I think.
Yeah, and you should definitely like take like it's a proper like beach, so you can take like camping chairs, all things to like chill there. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy our video, and see you soon.